Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can enable auto scroll on TikTok on Android. But before that, please make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So if you have been wondering how you can enable an auto scroll, or can you auto scroll on TikTok, first simply go ahead, open up your TikTok app, and apparently this new update has arrived and you can auto scroll on it. All you have to do is press on the video, then simply go ahead, tap on auto scroll, and now you can see next video will play automatically. So let's go ahead. I'm gonna make this video up. Let me make this video all the way over there. Let me play it and let's see whether it auto scrolls or not. As you can see, it is simply auto scroll right over there, and as soon as you have enabled that, whether you have iOS or Android, it should work. And if you cannot see the auto scroll option, what you have to do is you have to simply go ahead and go to your app store, search it up TikTok, and tap on update option once it has been appeared, and that's how you can get the newest and latest updates. That's all you can do. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.